The most common causes for your Zafira C's alarm repeatedly triggering are faulty door latch switches and overly sensitive interior sensors. These components wear down over time, sending false signals to the alarm system. Specifically, door latch microswitches can develop continuity issues, resistance 1 ohm, leading the system to believe a door is ajar even when it's not. Interior sensors, especially ultrasonic or infrared types, might be triggered by dust, misalignment, or even minor cabin movements. Addressing these sensor issues and switch problems is the key to stopping those false alarms. If the alarm still triggers after addressing those issues, it may be an ECU glitch that you will need to get professionally fixed. First, inspect all door latches and use a multimeter to check the continuity of the door switches. Replace any faulty switches. For interior sensors, try cleaning them gently and ensure they are properly aligned. If issues persist, attempt a system reset. The simplest method is disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to depolarize the alarm module. Reconnecting the battery forces the ECU to recalibrate the sensors. You can also try using the key fob to reset the alarm. Press the lock-unlock button rapidly 5 times in succession. DIY fixes are increasingly common with the help of online tutorials and affordable replacement parts. However, if the alarm continues to be problematic, seek assistance from a qualified mechanic to avoid potential security or electrical complications.